So let's see example JSP application on JSP colon forward action tag and JSP colon param action tag. So let's see an example web application. So I have browser window contains input.html and it has a form tag containing three fields. One first field is text box, second is text box, third is text box, and fourth is button, name, price, and quantity. So these are the items. Number of what is the item name? Chairs. Price 500 rupees per chair, and the quantity is 100. Get bill amount. Once you click on this bill amount, request will goes to the get bill amount.jsp, right? Get bill amount.jsp. What is the logic you are written here? This logic will get executed. This logic will get executed here up to here. If your bill amount is greater than 0. If a bill amount is greater than 0, what I'm trying to do, forward a request to the discount.jsp to get a 30% discount on total bill amount. So what will happen? I'm forwarding request from my GetBillAmount.jsp to discount.jsp. What is the logic you are written here? This logic will get executed and total discount will be calculated. Total discount will be calculated here. Okay. Discount will be calculated, and from here my response goes to browser window. From here my response goes to where? Browser window. Fine. And from here I'll send the response to directly browser window. This is my browser response. Okay. So here is some different color. This is my dynamic web page. If my bill amount exceeds the greater than or equal to 10,000. Okay. Second case, if my bill amount is less than 10,000. Less than 10,000 means 9,999. So whatever the total bill is there, directly display here. Directly display here. So I will add one more line here. I will add one more line. Display show or total bill. Total bill is what? Suppose less than 10,000 means, suppose I am entering here 9,999. Okay. 9,999. If so, I'll add one more line for this case. For this case. So in this case, this logic, the request will not be forwarded to the discount.jsp. Directly request comes from get bill amount. Bill amount will be calculated. Directly jumps to the else block and display the current bill amount on the browser window. Okay, let me add the labels flow of execution 1. Okay, then 2. So here is 2. Okay. First, let me go to the 3. Okay. Let me add here 4. 4. Let me add here 5. Okay. Let me add here 6. 6. Okay. And this is otherwise 7. Otherwise 7. First, second, directly what? We can make it a 3.1. Can you make it a 3.1? 3.1. 3.1, and you can make it here. I will remove this part. Instead of 7, I'll make it here 3.2. 3.2. Okay. Clear? Okay. 1, 2, right is 3.2. Done. Otherwise 3.1, then 4, and then 5, then 6. So this is the flow of execution I used to perform. Now let me create a GetBillAmount.jsp. So already I created this context root name in my web apps folder of a Tomcat server. So where these are WEB-INF, where I created Baba. I created localhost. So let me cut and paste. Control X, Tomcat, web apps, pasted. This is my 13 web apps. Okay, 13 JSP app, WEB-INF. Okay, fine. So let me grab this file name. Control C, file, new, others, JSP. So before going to create a JSP, I think I should add one more. What is that? Input.html, right? So I'll change here. First, let me create input.html, right? Instead of creating directly get bill amount. So file, new, HTML page. Control A, delete. Fine. So let me add some break tags and centers. Let me keep everything in a center. And let me add here H1 or H2. Fine. So let's just create a HTML web page. Before going to create, let me provide some node point, because these node points helpful for creating this web application. Okay, fine. So it is always recommended. It is always recommended to place JSP colon forward tag in source JSP program as a conditional statement. As a conditional statement, so that source JSP program output will be discarded only when that condition is satisfied. Only when that condition is satisfied. Okay. If my source program output is not useful, then what is the purpose of writing a source program logic? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Huh? When should I use forward? If I, based on the conditions, there are different logic need to be executed. Take an example. Maybe I am forwarding my request from my application to the PayPal application based on Visa, Maestro, American Express, or Rupee. Are you getting? Yes or no? Huh? I will discard the current output. I will embed the query string. I will forward to the Visa or Maestro or Mastercard or Rupee or American Express or PayPal amount. Are you getting? So based on the condition. Okay. Next, form data coming to, so here is my get bill amount. Form data coming to get bill amount.jsp is visible to discount.jsp. Okay. Which form data? Input.html. And this is the form data actually. Okay. Fine. So now it's a time to develop the input.html. So where is my HTML? Here. Okay. Fine. Let's develop a HTML page. So sorry. Shopping cart application. Let me add horizontal row. Okay, and under this, let me add break tag, and let me add the form tag. Where is my form tag? Form tag. So here I'm using get. Why get? Because you can observe the query string with the request parameter and values. Okay, and here I will add my, where is my to get bill amount.jsp. Okay, get bill amount.jsp method get, and you can embed here. What do you want? I want name colon item name. You can call here item name, and I wish to add text box. Then let me add break tag. Okay, item price and quantity. Okay, fine. I will add the names. Don't worry. Then next, let me add the button input type. Instead of button, let me add here submit value. You want to give any value? So get bill amount. Okay, get a bill amount. Fine. On click, I am not performing any operations. Non-breaking space, and here it's additional if you want to add or don't add. Control B. Okay, this is the look. Let me add here one more break tag. Okay, more than enough. So let me save this page. Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10, Web Apps, 13 JSP app, and give the name called input.html. Do you want to add HTML extension automatically? Yes. Done. Now, let me create new JSP, file new, others, JSP. Okay. So, where is my file name? GetBillAmount.jsp. So, let me add bill amount. Let me save this one. Web apps 13. Beside to web-INF, give the name get bill amount. Okay, save. The next term, let me add a stipulate tag, and let me get the query string parameter values. Let me get the query string parameter values. Read the data. Read the form data. Okay. So how do I read? String. String. You can use. I think I forgot to add here names. Let me use T1. Let me use T2. Let me use T3. Okay. Text field 1, text field 2, text field 3. Okay. T1, T2, T3. So I did changes here. So here you can use names or item name you can call. So request dot get parameter. Uh, so here let me use T1. Okay. Request dot get parameter. Let me use here T2. Let me use here T3. Now I need to typecast here because these are the price and the price, not prints, and here the quantity. Okay. So these are the numbers. So integer dot parse int of the next term. Let me parse this items also T3 parse. I got three values. One is name, item name, one is price, and one is quantity. Fine. And next I'll calculate the bill amount. So calculate the bill amount. Okay. So integer bill amount assignment operator. So I have price multiplied by QTY. Okay. If bill amount is equal to price multiplied by quantity. So up to here I calculated. Now next term. Let me check whether bill amount is greater than 10,000 or not. If it is 10,000, I will forward to discount. Else, I will display the bill amount as it is. Clear? Okay, bill amount is 50,000 because 50 into 100, 50,000, na? Right or wrong? The next term, then total bill amount, discount is much, and final bill is 35,000. Okay. So here, let me write the logic now. If my bill amount is greater than or equal to 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Else, okay. Fine. Now here, actually I would have written here itself. I would have written here itself, but to make you clear, now calculate the bill amount. Let me close this and let me open the scriptlet because here I'm going to embed JSP colon forward page assignment operator. Let me use the page name discount.jsp. Okay, discount.jsp. And also I need to embed the parameters, so that's what I'm closing separately. So JSP colon forward, JSP colon forward. Now I will embed what? JSP colon parameters, JSP colon parameters, and here is my name, assignment operator. What is the name you want to give? Bill amount, BAMT. Okay, and the value. Actually, I made mistake in the last example. What is the mistake here? In my source, so instead of using here, rather I would have used here assignment operator directly uname directly age val. Okay. Okay. This will work. You can have the snap. If you want to get the snap, you can have it. Please get it. Just last example. Just last example. And use the query string here. What the query string will use here? This one. Okay. Instead of promote, let me try. Okay, we'll search later on. Leave it. But this is the way that I can do. आता मी तेच करणार आहे. आता मी काय करणार आहे? तेच करणार आहे. Just see. Get bill amount. Just embed the value. Hey. So here, embed the value. परत काय चूक केली होती माहिती आहे का इथं? घ्या फोटो घ्या. फोटो घ्या. घेतला का? येत नाही. झालं? नेक्स्ट. काय प्रॉब्लेम करतो मला माहित नाही. लेट मी चेक. काय का असे ना, पण हे ऍक्च्युली इकडनं यायला ना. अरे मी ते हे केलं. काय माणूस आहे राव मी इथं. इथं कसं येईल बरं? बरोबर आहे का? Got it, Pramod? Can you see a Pramod? I'll use magnifier. Can you see Pramod here? Can you see 77? Okay. I'll change to Lipne is my regular student. Okay. Maybe 20. So she is regular students. Now काय करू ना? Actually, I have embedded here what? Last time before that I worked with the fixed values, Yogesh and 55 or something like this. But now I wish to try by using URL query string, right? Prajakta Lipne. Okay. Now same thing we'll do by using form tag. Same thing we'll try by using form tag. Clear? Clear. So actually this is the mistake that we made in the last time. We forget to add here what? Double quote. That's it. And we can use this query string. Which query string? Like this. Means actually this will generate by form only. Okay. Listen. Your form tag will generate this query string, right? Okay, T1 assignment operator, T2 assignment operator, T3 assignment operator, right? बराबर है ना? Okay, fine. So saved. Where is my source? Get bill amount. Fine. So I'll do what I'll do here. So double quote. Then use here what? I will use here bill amount. Closing of scriptlet declaration tag. Closing of value double quote. And let me close the JSP colon param. Right? Right or wrong? Okay. JSP colon param. Fine. And next forward. That's it. So up to here. Now again, here I close my scriptlet tag. Instead of creating separate, I would have written here itself. So, but to separate the logic to get the field for yourself, I have written separately. So this is Java code in scriptlet tag. This is my action tag XML syntax. Again, I have opened here scriptlet tag because earlier it has been closed at line number 17. I open at line number 21, 21st. Okay. Now write the else logic. What should I write here? Else logic. Already I made everything in center. Some break tag. Directly I will write here. Else I will close here. I will close here else tag. Okay. I'll open here directly else tag. Okay. Item name, and I'll use here declaration tag close, and directly give here what name price name. Okay. And here I will add here what, no, I'll add a break tag. Next, what I want to show the bill amount. Okay. Final bill amount. Okay. Total bill amount. Otherwise, I will write one more message. Sorry, you are not eligible for. Sorry, you are not eligible for 30% discount. 30% or 30% discount because total bill is less than 10,000. Okay. 10,000 rupees. Done. So total bill name, total bill amount. Done. Okay. Closing curly. Directly I would have written in a scriptlet tag this also. Directly write out.println. Directly show item name plus name, total bill amount, out.println total bill amount plus bill amount. Right? I can write in scriptlet tag directly itself. I did not write here closing, opening, again closing, just for the sake of closing curly brace. Right? Just for the sake of closing curly brace only. But this is the best approach. Okay. Fine. This is about the get bill amount. Then next, where is my discount.jsp. So file, new, JSP. Okay. First, let me save. Where should I save? Apache, Tomcat, Web Apps, 13 JSP app, discount.jsp. Okay. And here, break. H1. And I want to get this query string. What I'm appending here? Bill amount. Right? And I want to get here name and quantity. Because price I don't need. Price has been already utilized and calculated total bill amount. Okay. Because I wish to show item name, bill amount, right? So let me go to discount and let me write the discount. First, you need to read the query string. So use the scriptlet tag. So read the data. Read the input form data. That is item name, quantity, price, whatever you want, and bill amount from the source.jsp to the destination.jsp. Here I will get the input.html form data T1, T2, T3. I can access in destination. because request is coming from source and source is forwarding same request to where destination.jsp. Along with the form data, along with the form data, I will get bill amount. I will get bill AMT, this BAMT, right now, with the bill amount value, and also I will get a name, price, and quantity. Got it? So read the form data and additional BAMT. So otherwise additional request parameter values. Fine. So read string name. So I can read all. I can get as it is here. Okay. Fine. So I don't need price and I don't need quantity. If I can able to access T1, I can access T2 and T3 also, right? Right or wrong? So I don't need these values. So what I'll do, I will remove this extra and I will read here BAMT. What BMT is? Check it here. So this one, okay, and just add here. So I will add here what BAMT as it is. Fine now. Got it? Now calculate 30% interest. Sorry, not interest, discount. So calculate or get 30% discount on total bill amount. Okay, fine. So float. So discount assignment operator bill amount multiply by 0.3 0.3. Let me use F. Okay. Okay. Fine. So done. Now next I'll write the scriptlet tag one more. I can write here itself also, but I'm trying to show the separately. Next what? Display the all bill details, including what? Item name, uh, total bill, discount, and final bill. Okay. So what should I do? Directly I can show should I use scriptlet or should I use declaration? Tell me. Tell me faster. Huh? I can do using both scriptlet with out.println. Yes or no? बोला रे. But ठीक है एक declaration one declaration one scriptlet. Okay, fine. So I'll add here declaration tag. So I can do by using this also, but it is not recommended. Out.println. So what should I add here? Item name. Item name. What should I add here? Here is my name. Done. Semicolon. Done. And next I can do by using item bill amount, discount, final amount. Can I show all? झाले का? चलो नेक्स्ट काय काय सांगा पुढचं bill amount, discount, and final bill. So here is bill amount. Next discount. Next final payable amount. So here I'll use declaration tag, assignment operator, and total bill amount कुठे आहे? This is my total bill amount. Okay, and let me add some break tag and discount and payable amount. Let me subtract. Let me subtract. How do I subtract? Uh, bill amount minus discount. Okay, okay, fine. So either you add web.xml or don't add web.xml. It's optional, but I'm habituated to add. So final file new XML web hyphen app self closing save under the web.xml, give the name called web.xml and hit enter. Okay, done. So check whether your application is reloaded or not. Just now reloaded because web.xml is deployed. Okay, 2019-54. So shall we configure web input.html? Welcome file list, welcome file. Shall we? करायचं का? का नको? बोलत पण नाही. बोला. Welcome file list. तुम्ही सांगा बरं का काय नाव आहे? हा, वेलकम फाईल नेम आहे का? सांगा रे. बरोबर आहे? बरोबर आहे का? हा? So is it just check reloaded or not? Yes, reloading completed. So let me go to my browser window. Tomcat admin 13. Okay, fine. Shopping cart. Either you give here input.html, you will get same output, or don't give, you will get same output. Okay, so let me add here tables. Each cost 1000 or 900. I want to order 100. Okay, get bill amount. I got an error. Let me see why the error came. Okay, fine. So just have the look at the code. I'll open once again where I was. Let me open the code. Tomcat web apps 13. Actually, the error was the errors were where here actually change is to int discount.jsp, change is to quantity, price and quantity with int and int. Okay, and this is a input.html t1 t2 t3 and this is web.xml file open with edit plus. Welcome file is I configured and CSMS full stack JSP forward. Fine. just test your application by using these two URLs. Okay, these two URLs. So just see here, I entered pencil with item price 900, get bill amount. Sorry, you are not eligible for 30% discount. Actually, I paused here. Again, I resumed. Oh, I'll change to then again chairs. I will enter 500 and 100 is the bill amount. 100 is the quantity. Oh, you are lucky customer. You are received 30% discount. Chairs. Bill amount is 5,000. Discount is 15,000. And the final payable bill amount is 35,000. So in this way, you can able to test this application. Fine. And if you try buying somewhat like chocolate, chocolate of item price is 1 rupees, and if you enter 1,000, sorry, item name chocolate, bill amount is 1,000. So you are not eligible. Just have the final look at the whole source code. Input.html. Oh, then get bill amount. Actually, I copied this whole para, so that's what inter. Just change it. Then discount. And go to web.xml file. Welcome file list. And this is what your context root name. And in this way, you can test the web application. Fine. Actually, I paused, then that's what I recall once again. Thank you.